Hi, if what? What?
What are you doing?
I should have started.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're the. So you want to introduce everything?
Um, I'll introduce Barsh if you do a little bit of each. Did you show any of these yet?
Nope. Not why. I will let you. They can see that corner of the engine at the moment.
All right, so um, we have three rigs out right now. It's a tower, engine, and a chief vehicle. They're all based out of Hershey, Pennsylvania. Um, this is something that Jeff has worked on for a few days now, and I think it actually turned out very nice. What station was this based out of?
48.
Oh yeah, 48. So we got engine 48, right?
Yep. The I would pause you there. So the engine, so the real life engine, so the tab is like the same, but in the bat is like normal. Your weed department in the bat, but near what the closest that we could get it to, so it is somewhat off and on. But everything else, command it off as well, but never close it. I can get that. Go
So
ahead.
this would be engine 48, tower 32, and Chief 48, right?
No, truck 48.
Oh, is it truck 48?
Yeah, you should have a Hershey sin.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
It didn't say. I forget because it didn't say 48 in it. So.
Yeah, it does.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
Truck 48.
Come over there.
Behind the officer and driver door. Off a tab. Right behind the door.
Right here?
No, right here. Right here.
Where? I don't see it. I don't see 48.
Wait, wait. Alright. Don't take that bonfire. Hold up.
Yeah, it doesn't show the truck 48.
I sent you a picture. You don't see that?
We got a different skinning, buddy.
I may have put the old one, the wrong thing in for you.
You did. I got the red and white.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture.
Oh, I know I copy and paste both in. Oh. So yeah, thank God, we're not, we torn off him tonight.
We can fix that.
Yep.
You want to fix that now or wait?
Wait. We're in the middle of retouring.
Alright, we'll do it after this.
I canceled that bonfire.
That's fine. We'll do it after this video.
Alright, my bad.
You're good.
So, do you see the command beetle? Did not show Hershey for you.
Yeah, it says G48. That's
Okay.
right.
Okay. So, on the plot, so on the truck, I accidentally put the, process in on, process is Station 32, out of Harrisburg. They do a lot, they do the annual fire expo, blast and stuff. They're well known. But yeah, here is G48. They have Tahoe, GMC, they're not Tahoe in real life. So I was like, shoot it. And then yeah.
Alright, we're good. Yeah,
So
we'll fix that after this.
now I'm trying to. What does the ladder board show? Does it show Hershey or process?
Progress. It should say Hershey, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I know I copy and paste it into you. Unless I put it in the wrong folder.
We'll check after.
Yeah.
We'll make it work for this video.
Yep. Should we murder that truck 48? What are you taking an engine or a truck?
Truck.
I die. I can't believe I did that to him. Okay.
I'll take that bonfire now.
Oh, I bet you will. Put in smoke.
Truck 48's in route.
Show engine 48 en route too.
Oh, my rig shut off.
So yeah, we're not taking command. I just want to show you what that is. If you die our turret on any of the sins, he can't.
I didn't even see that car there.
They are linked.
I have lag.
What the hell are you doing?
I have lag.
Engine 48 to county.
Good.
Dive, working fire.
Copy.
Engine 48 is laying out. Dive 2-story. Residential. Got fire showing through the roof.
Truck 48's in scene.
This is a fun one. Shit, can't go up no more. Tank to pump. Oh shit. We got one person entering to truck. We do have one person report a track.
Copy. I think we got some hazardous material. I'm seeing green smoke.
10-4. Command to Townie.
Good.
Sharp me half mat and give me send an alarm.
Copy. Truck to engine. Do you want to hook up to me?
Yeah. While I'm hooking you up, you might. Do you want to search for victim?
10-4.
While I detonate setup. Dish or 5. Main intake.
Truck's gonna make entry by the garage.
Copy.
The lane front door's blocked off by fire.
Seem like, well, I'm the one that hit.
That can happen. Truck to engine.
Copy. Go ahead.
Got no way in as of right now. Fire.
Okay.
off the route.
But, yeah, I have. Shit. Truck, engine 2 truck. Do you have water?
Negative.
Hold up. Give me 1 second. Shit. I think we're having difficulty here. If anybody want to join us, go ahead. Just let us know. Better, more people, better at debts, and more RP we can have. Don't you have water?
You have to write this charge open.
I did have you throwing. We're having a problem over here.
Alright. You could do it the easy way. Easy pump.
Yo. I don't know.
Where'd you go?
Still at my engine.
Alright. You need some help?
I got it. You should have water.
That's a negative.
You have water on my side.
Oh, do I?
Yep.
Oh, not on mine.
Oh, that down and, well. Yeah, you have water on my end.
Oh, I got nothing, actually.
If you wanted that down, let me have in, and then let you, because I did that in your tower. What? Hey, really weird. Try. Hi, really weird.
Yeah, I don't. But there's almost no fire anymore in the garage.
Yeah, not from your water. Engine 48 inmate interior.
Copy. I don't know how that worked. Like, I wasn't even on the fire, and it killed me. Well, maybe with me responding in that, I'll be able to see the water.
Oh, I'm done.
Call Mayday 2. You called Mayday, didn't you?
Maybe.
When you grabbed that.
No, I went inside, and the hazmat got me.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, I did. How to fail 101.
Right. Ladders on the roof.
Engine to command.
Go ahead.
We do have one that try for.
And 4. County 50. Roof operations to the interior.
Go ahead.
What's your status? We got heavy fire pushing through the roof, trying to prevent us to open up the house.
We are trying to make interior, so having problem.
Commander County.
Go ahead.
Start me a third alarm.
Copy. Starting third alarm. In real life, you shouldn't like leave your hose in there. Shit. Where am I now?
Command to enter your update.
We're in the basement. We got part of a fire still not in the basement. Working way up to Senate 4. First Division, partially fought, not.
Copy.
Engine to man.
Go ahead.
Basement and not working way up to Senate 4 right now.
Copy.
Oh. Engine to man.
Go ahead.
We have Senate 4 David. We cannot make access to the room on the Bravo Torner. Torner.
10-4. Truck's gonna be making interior.
Engine to tower.
Go ahead.
Can you set up a ladder from on the Alpha side to the Senate windows?
10-4.
No one's. Oh. Daughter window. My bad. We need it in front of a garage.
10-4.
Maybe once and I need refill sooner. Really? Engine man sending for entry from ladder.
Copy. Tower's going back through.
Yo. I think it how he have it. Haha. Oh shit. Engine to command.
Good.
Fire is not shutting for hotspots. And we do have another craft 4.
Copy roof. Operations to interior. We got heavy fire on the roof.
10-4. You might have to cut so and maybe hit that way. There's no fire inside the building, so it may be one in the roof lines.
I can. They won't let me do any spots except for the fires that do it.
Shit. There is one room still locked. Let me double check.
Okay.
I'm always messing someone. Just like now. I don't know where Natsu went. Wow.
Close, but it's still getting me. We got part of it out. I'm on with that spot, the first spot. Shoot up at through the roof. See what happens.
Hold on, I still got fire in the hallway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fell through.
Well, that will work too. Maybe. I can try. I can get to that middle spot.
10-4.
10-4. We're starting the vent.
10-4. Should be.
I'll take that spot, and then I got heavy fire on the Charlie and Bravo side.
Do you mean Charlie Delta?
Charlie and Bravo side. There's fire on Bravo.
Oh. Yo. My host disappeared.
Did it?
That was weird. Or I probably hit the max for it. Yeah. Don't take. Command. Entrance to command.
Go ahead.
Fire it out on through the roof. Fire it under control in process of ventilation.
Copy. Roof operations to engine.
Go ahead.
Still got a little bit of fire on the Bravo side. Alpha Bravo.
Not on my side.
Roof for operations to command.
Go ahead.
At this time, we do got the roof ended. Engine's now got water on the last little bit of the fire.
Copy. Yo. Got it. Fire it now out on Bravo side.
Copy. Command going.
Go ahead.
This time you can stop the timer. We're in process of extensive overhaul.
10-4.
Truck's going interior for a
Oh.
secondary search.
10-4.
Oh, I guess the other green stuff got me. Secondary search is negative.
10-4. Why?
Truck to command.
Go ahead.
We're gonna make interior again. We still have sound of fire somewhere.
Ten four. I hear it, but I don't see it.
Interior to command.
Go ahead.
Coming out for a hook. I think we've located the fire.
Ten four. I don't see it.
Ten four. Got fire in the ceiling.
Ah. 10-4. Engine coming back up. Why?
Copy.
No, it didn't.
Command to county.
Go ahead.
At this time, we do have located more fire in the ceiling.
10-4.
Interior to command, confirming the rest of the fire is out.
10-4. Oh. I don't know why. So we're gonna end it here. See you in the next video.